A kitchen sink that won't drain, despite clear pipes, can be a frustrating issue. There are several possible reasons for this problem. A dirty P-trap, a blocked vent pipe, or incorrect pipe installation. To address these issues, start by cleaning the P-trap. Place a bucket under the sink. Locate the P-trap and unscrew it. Remove any dirt, debris, or residue. Then reinstall the P-trap and check if the sink is draining properly. If this doesn't resolve the issue, the vent pipe may be blocked. The vent pipe allows air into the system, facilitating water flow, so a blockage can prevent drainage. Clearing the vent pipe may require professional assistance. If the problem persists, inspect the pipe installation to ensure the pipes are installed with the correct slope, as improper installation can hinder water drainage. Adjusting the pipe slope can help restore proper drainage. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a kitchen sink that won't drain, even when the pipes are clear.